Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will see about a table environment and how to caption and label the tables. Here you know how to create a table using this tabular environment, and this was the output. So when we are having a tabular environment, what was the need of a table environment again? Whereas with tabular environment we can just create a table, but we cannot create a label or reference or caption this. But whereas with table environment we can create a caption and label. So let's try that. Here just include a environment, begin table, and next close the table environment here. So now this tabular environment is inside the table environment. Let's run this. You can see there was no change, but now you can make caption for this in the table environment after completion of creation of table. Now caption, let the caption be this is table. You can give whatever the caption you want according to the requirement. Now similarly you can also create a label. Let the label key be table 1. Just run this. You can see we got the caption and label for this table. Now similarly it was left aligned and the caption was center aligned, right? Of course by default caption is every time center aligned, so to change that just use centering command here. Centering, it will align complete table and this text to center. Else you can also use the center environment also. Begin center, and end center inside the table environment, so that it will be aligned to center. I think it was clear now. We have created a table environment, and then inside a table environment we created a center environment to align the table which we created to the center, to align it to center. Next we also labeled this table and created a caption. Let's run this. You can see we got it according to the requirement. This is the table, and we got the this table 1 number also, because this was the first table. It gives the table 1, whereas by creating the tables the number will increment automatically. That's what the use of this table environment. Now we will see the reference, how to reference. If you want to say at somewhere, let's say in between any paragraph, if you want to say that let's say at somewhere see the table, just use reference table 1 which we labeled for this table. So let's run this. So like this, in anywhere in between the text of a document you can use this reference. You can use the reference key which you labeled for the table, that will say that see the table 1, so that reader can go to the table 1 in the entire document. That's the use of using this table environment.